I go through stuff. I already suffer from depression, and that's on paperwork, baby. Other people can be going through things too, and you can be as positive as you want to be and try to give them advice as much as you want, but for people to come out of line and start calling you names and things like that, baby, I didn't call you any names, sweetheart, so you're not about to come over here and call me names. But then I realized something. The way a person treats you is the way that they treat other people too. So if you about to come over here and think you about to run your mouth and curse me out, you might do that with your family members, but it's not happening over here, sweet.